Conversation 86. Smoking.
Do you smoke? I've never known that. When did you start smoking?
I started smoking when I was 18.
So, how long have you been a smoker?
I have smoked for 20 years.
How many cigarettes do you smoke a day?
I smoke 2 packs of cigarettes a day.
Have you ever tried to quit?
Yes, I have quit twice. Once when I was expecting my baby, Paul, and the other time when I had a bad sore throat. But I had a hard time.
If you knew what it was doing to your lungs, you would think twice about it.
Conversation 87. A death.
Did you hear about the Smith family?
No, what happened?
Mrs. Smith passed away this morning.
That's a shame. What from?
Heart attack, I think.
That's a terrible thing.
Yes. Mrs. Smith went into hospital last night by ambulance and died this morning.
Has she been suffering from heart disease?
Yeah. Mrs. Smith had it for 5 years before she died.
Did they try surgery?
She had 2 operations, but they weren't effective.
I feel sorry for Mr. Smith. Conversation 88. A birth.
Have you heard about the good news in the Wallace family?
No, I've been out of town.
Mrs. Wallace went into the hospital last night and gave birth to a baby girl 7 hours later.
That's very good. But they already have a little girl, don't they?
No, they have a 5-year-old boy.
So they wanted a girl this time, right?
Yes, they wanted a girl for a long time.
Was it natural childbirth?
No, she had to have a cesarean.
Conversation 89. A coincidence. Teresa. What a surprise. What are you doing here?
Timothy. I don't believe it. I'm going to see my daughter. She will marry this weekend. How about you?
I'm going to visit my parents. When is your daughter's wedding?
Sunday.
Wow! This Sunday is the 45th wedding anniversary of their wedding, too.
This is a surprise. Anyway, where is your train leaving from?
My train leaves from platform 3, over there.
How long will you? Now leaving from platform 3, train for Vancouver.
That's my train. I have to run. Sorry we didn't have more time to talk.
That's okay, I'll see you when you get back. Have a good time, and say congratulations to your parents.
Conversation 90. How have you been?
Raymond.
Oh, hi, Grace. How have you been?
Good. I hear you have been to Toronto for a few days.
Yes. I just got back yesterday.
Did you have a nice visit?
Really nice. It was very good going around downtown and shopping. And I saw the Toronto Blue Jays game at Skydome. It seems that Toronto is a very exciting city. My brother Stanley was there, too. You've met Stanley, haven't you?
Sure. I met him when he was here in Hamilton last year. What's he doing these days? Still teaching baseball.
Yes, as a matter of fact, he just began to teach elementary school.
Great. How's everything with his kids?
Have you met my nieces?
Yes, they visited you once in the summer, didn't they?
Right. They're both fine.
I haven't seen them in a long time. They must be really big.
Well, they will come over this Christmas. Let's have a great Christmas party together.
That's a good idea.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.